When we started XOi, our mission was quite simple: to help technicians solve problems on the job site. We did this because the skilled trades desperately needed it. They weren't making techs like they used to. Everyone had demands on them and their time like never before, and the equipment was getting harder and harder to work on. These problems weren't just equipment problems, they were people problems, expectation problems, parts problems, all the annoying little things that keep great people from doing great things. Fixing the damn thing. We had to make it better, we had to make it easier, and we had to deliver. Over the past decade, and as we dedicated ourselves to realizing this vision, the challenges grew more complex, the mechanical, electrical, plumbing industry that we serve evolved, and our team embraced the finest traits of those we served: grit, unyielding resilience, and an indomitable will to overcome every obstacle in our path. Grit, resiliency, will. The trademarks of any great blue-collar warrior and the hallmarks of any company lucky enough to serve them on the job site. And we've been lucky indeed. This ethos allowed us to serve thousands of customers and tens of thousands of technicians all over the globe. What an honor. But there's no period to this story, not even close. In many ways, it feels like we're just getting started. This same ethos drove us to constantly assess every aspect of a job site, every human that visited those job sites, and every industry player that cared about what happened there. It also forced us to think hard about what was actually being sold on every job site. It was uptime, it was efficient uptime, and it was customer experience. It didn't matter if you were an OEM, a distributor, a contractor, or the asset owner themselves. You wanted uptime, and you wanted to exceed your customers' expectations in the process. In the past 2 years, we have broadened our reach by engaging with a more diverse set of customers, personas, and technology partners. With each new connection, our belief in the immense potential to transform job sites grew stronger. We saw opportunities to deliver value in innovative ways to every stakeholder working on mission-critical equipment. To truly empower technicians, we had to ensure that anyone seeking their time and attention could benefit from a streamlined system. Our goal became clear: to serve as the connective tissue, the system of work, unifying people, equipment, transparent decision-making, and making efficient uptime the universal standard. That's why I'm proud to announce that to achieve this with urgency and precision, we chose a partner that embodied the same character qualities we developed over the last decade, and we're confident we found that in KKR. As we went through meeting after meeting over a year-long process, it was clear they got it. They shared the grit, resiliency, and will needed to drive this vision home. We're honored to be officially partnered with them as we continue to meet the new challenges within the skilled trades landscape. They believe XOi is a platform, and as part of building a good platform, it is made of a number of critical components. As part of this evolution, we are excited to announce the acquisition of Specifx Data. This critical asset data has underpinned our Insights product for almost 2 years now, and combining this proprietary data with our own will allow us to accelerate our ability to deliver a one-of-one asset origination, performance, and diagnostics information experience at mission-critical assets across the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing industries. We're humbled by the role we've been able to play in changing this industry and the skilled trades for the better, and we're excited as hell to drive this mission forward for years to come. Our vision has never been clearer, and our passion has never been stronger. Thank you.